Earlier this week, a YouTube viewer said, I would love to learn how to set up an autoresponder to catch emails and send back to my mail list. And that's exactly what we're going to do today in this video. We are going to start email marketing step by step so that you can start making money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, the only way to be successful in 2023 going forward online is simply with email marketing. That is the hidden secret. It's the thing that successful 6, 7, and 8-figure marketers know, and it's the thing that is probably holding you back from actually finding success. And I'm sure you're wondering, how do I actually start email marketing? And in this video, I'm going to show you what to do step by step. But before we get started, I just want to let you know the sponsor of today's video. The sponsor of today's video is called Gbolt Systems, and they've actually put together a complete online marketing system that can help you create content. It can help you post content, email marketing, creating landing pages, everything you need in one place to grow your online business. And in fact, I'll actually be using Gbolt Systems to show you how you can actually build out a landing page. And if you comment how, I'll let you know how you can get access to it. So thank you so much, Gbolt Systems, for letting us test drive your software. So what we're going to do first and foremost is I'm going to pull up an online whiteboard and I'm just going to talk you through the process. Okay, as you can see, if you take a look at my screen here, what you're going to do is you're simply going to create content. Now, this can be a YouTube video, this could be a TikTok video. If you want it to be, it can be a blog post like this. It can be Instagram pictures. It doesn't matter. You're just going to create content wherever your target audience is hanging out. The next thing that you want to do is you want to send your target audience to a landing page. This landing page is going to be what collects the name and the email of your potential customer. On the landing page, you want a headline, you want a sub-headline, and then you want an input box for the name, an input box for their email address, and then a submit button. And then whenever they enter in their name, their email, and click submit, that's how they're going to get added to our email list to email. And so once we have that, we can send them emails every single day. That's an ugly envelope, but we can send them emails every single day, essentially talking about our product or service. Now, this works for affiliate marketing, digital products, physical products, it doesn't matter, because this works. After the landing page, we're going to send them to a thank you page. And that thank you page is going to say, thanks for subscribing. If you're an affiliate marketer, you are going to say, check out these products because they're going to help you solve a problem. If you're selling your own digital products, this can be a sales page where we're actually selling something. So now that we have that kind of drawn out, wireframed out, let's go ahead and build it in the back office of Gbolt Systems. Now, the cool thing is they've actually built out 2 email autoresponder sequences with a landing page and emails. They built it out for you that you can actually grab access to. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to sites. We are going to go to the funnels here. We're going to click on new funnel. That's how we're going to create a new funnel. Before we do that, we want to go to forms and we want to build a brand new form. We're going to click add form like this, start from scratch. And then we are simply going to build a basic form that we drew out a few minutes ago. So we're going to do first name, we are going to do email, and then we are going to have a submit button. And so we just need to make a couple changes here. So for this, we're going to remove the label like that so it looks a little bit better. And then for the button, we can change the name. We can say, yes, give me my free product, okay? Now, when it comes to your lead magnet has to be congruent with whatever your niche is. So if you're in the make money online niche, you want to give something relevant to that, maybe a checklist, maybe a planner, something like that. If you are in the wedding niche, you want to make sure that you are giving away maybe a wedding calculator or a budget calculator, something like that, so that it's relevant. Also too, I'm just going to give this a title of template, and then we are going to click save. That is going to save just like that. Next, we're going to come back over to our funnel here, and we're going to create a brand new funnel. We're going to call this our test funnel, like this. Click on create. Now that we have our test funnel, we can click on that to open up. We're going to click on add new step. Name of step is called landing page, like this. And then we are going to click on create funnel step, just like that. And the cool thing with this software is if you have a account with ClickFunnels and you want to save money, you could actually import your ClickFunnels funnels right into Gbolt systems, which is really cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create from blank. And whenever I create a landing page, I try and do how to do X and Y without Z. That is usually how to make money online in a time without tech skills. So how to do X, so something they want to do, in Y, which is usually a time frame, without Z, so the pain point. And this looks really familiar, really similar to ClickFunnels. And so if we just click on add element, we're going to add in maybe a sub headline first. So I'm going to say like free thing. This could be a checklist, planner, whatever you're giving away. Oh my goodness. Giving away. Okay. And then we're going to do heading here. How to do X in Y without Z. Okay. The next thing that we want to do is we want to create a row, a 2-column row like this. And on this side, we're going to input an image. So the image is going to be of whatever our target audience is. If we are talking about puppies, we can find an image of puppies. If we're talking about weddings, we could find an image of a bride. Over here, we're just going to put in a paragraph. We're going to say, enter in your best email address to get the free thing. And then we are going to put in our form just like this, and we're going to grab that form template, and as you can see, that form is right there. Now we might want to go back and change the color of the form, but for right now this is pretty good. We're going to go add element on this side. We are going to click on image, and then we can go grab our image. We can either upload one, we can create one with Discord or Midjourney, but for now I'm just going to grab this puppy one that we've got here. And then if you want to, you can add more, but for all intents and purposes, you don't need to add more to this landing page. You want your landing page to be basic so that your target audience doesn't have a ton of options. The more options the target audience has, the more confusion and the higher the chance that they're going to click off and do other stuff. So I'm just going to give this a quick title of template like this, and click update metadata, click save once again, and now we've got a landing page. Okay, so if we go back over to our whiteboard, this is done. So I'm just gonna change the color here if I can. Maybe I can't, but we'll just say this part is done. The two other things that we have to do is we have to create a landing page, and then we've actually got to create our email sequence. So let's go ahead and take care of our email sequence. In order to do that, we're gonna go to automation. We are going to click on create workflow. We're going to start from scratch, and then we are going to add a new trigger. Now the trigger for us is a form submission. So we do form submitted, add filters, select form is, and then template just like that, save trigger. And now what we can do is we can just send out emails. So I'm just gonna search for emails like this. And the first email should be you delivering your free thing. So we're gonna say, open up. Now what you say really depends on you and how in your content, your character. If you're more playful, you could say open up a free thing inside. And so what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna write a quick message just to show you exactly how this works out. So we're gonna say, hey, and then I'm going to do custom value like this, first name, and then I'm going to say, thanks for joining the niche community. We are happy to have you here. As requested, here is your free thing. Just to make sure you got it, please respond to this email. Okay, and then you can add in a little bit more talking about, you know, the type of content or the type of emails they're going to receive, and then you just say thank you, have a great day. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on save. This is going to save this, and we're gonna click save one more time. I'm gonna call this template email like that, and then click save one more time, and then I'm gonna click the plus button, and I'm going to have wait. So we're going to wait 1 day before sending another email. Make sure you include a wait, because if you don't, you're gonna send all of these emails at one time. And so then we can do emails 2, 3, 4, forever, as long as you are waiting a certain amount of time in between them. So we're gonna click on save. We're going to click on publish like this, click save again. And now we have our landing page, we've got our email set up, if we come back to workflows, we can go to sites one more time and then go to test funnel like this, add in a new step, which is going to be our thank you /sales page. Again, if you are selling digital products, this is going to be your sales page. If you are an affiliate marketer, this is going to be your thank you page. So we've got that. I'm going to create from blank. And what we're going to do is I'm going to do wide once again. I'm going to add in a row. I'm going to add a 1-column row, and then I'm going to add in a heading. And I'm going to say, thanks for joining the community. Your free thing is on its way. Actually, I might want to reduce the size so it's all on one line. So I'm going to also do a sub headline, and I'm going to say check your spam folder, spam or promotions folder, like that. And then I'm going to add in another column like this, 1-column row. And then I'm going to have a sub headline that says something like, while you wait, check out these things. And you might want to say, check out, the best X for Y. While you wait, check out the best X for Y. Okay. And then from here, you can actually put in buttons that are affiliate links. So I'm just going to click the plus sign, button, make a few changes to it. So I'm just going to put affiliate link 1 like this. And then we're going to have it go to a website URL that we can put in. The only other thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that this is full width. It's just a personal preference that I have. So under full width, I want fill width like this. I can also add in a little bit of a space up top. But again, this is more like personal preference and how you want it to look. So I'm just going to duplicate this 3 times, and then this time it's going to be an affiliate link number 2 like this, and then this would be affiliate link number 3. These are 3 different affiliate links. Okay, and then we're going to hit save, and I'm just going to put thank you page like this. Click save. Now we're going to back out, and now everything should be connected. Basically what you are going to do, one quick thing that I want to take care of is under forms, I'm just going to go down to template, and when they submit this, we want to make sure that it's going to the next step in the funnel. So if we scroll down, where is it? So under options, on submit where it says message, we want it to go to the URL or the next step in the funnel. Okay, so simple, easy. Makes life really simple, right? And we're just going to back out, proceed, and that's all you have to do. And so now if we look at this, we just create content, so drive traffic from here, and as people find value from your content, they're going to naturally go to the landing page. And about 40% of them are going to say, yes, I want that free thing. And they're going to enter in their name, they're going to enter in their email, and then they're going to press submit. And that 40% is going to join our mailing list. A portion of them, of the 40%, about 20% will click and buy on these affiliate links. And so this is how you start generating passive income. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this. This is fairly straightforward. If you want to learn more about GBolt systems and how you can get these free funnels and emails and all of the stuff that they're giving away, comment down below GBolt and we will help you out. We'll hook you up. Now that you know how to build out email marketing, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.